Hey there YouTube, this is Rocco-the-Retro-Repairman coming at you again with another video. Today we are going over a simple video circuit. Today we got a N3904 transistor paired with a 75 ohm resistor, which the resistor's color code is violet, green, black, and gold being the multiplier. Anyways, just so you know what this is intended to going onto is a S-Video mod on a Megadrive Genesis Model 1. This white line tailed off with some yellow spare wire is going to be attached to the Lumina signal on the video chip underneath the board of the Megadrive Genesis Model 1. However, this resistor is going to have a wire applied to it, which is going to be to the S-Video female socket. So, what are we doing today? I'm going over the connections that were made. Each of them were isolated with electrical tape to cause it, prevent any possible interference or shorting out. You're going to probably ask, why the hell did he put glue or hot glue all over this? Well, I'll tell you a little trick. These terminal leads here on the transistor, the N3904, are very brittle and fragile. So just flexing and moving this around as you're finagling it on your board in your modification here, it will cause it to break and become frail. So I found it easier just to hot glue it, which definitely is preventable. So things you should know when you're soldering is only use enough temperature if you have the ability to control your soldering iron or station just to melt the type of solder you have. 2, make sure that the areas that you're working are organized. And 3, make sure that your tip is cleaned and tinned with some solder. When you put fresh solder on your connections, not only are you cleaning the impurities, you're preparing it for the material you're working with for it to mount to, for the solder to bond with the metal or the contacts. So those are things you're going to want to do. You're going to want to make sure that you make 3 points of contact, heating up your metal contact or wire first, then applying your solder and having that melt and flow evenly on it. So I'm going to go and find me some wire here that I'm going to assign to my S-Video jack. And I got some black wire over here. Take me a nice little run of this. Take my dikes, snap, set that to the side. Then take my wire end, find the corresponding size that it's going to fit. So this is a 20 AUG. I'm going to strip that end and then strip the other one here at 20 right there. Alright, and I'm going to twist my wire ends together with my fingers like so. And my little helping hands over here, my octopus arms. It's pretty late now. I just had a newborn, Cadence Sophia. She was born October 21st. So I'm still staying focused on my hobbies here, but she comes first. We just put her down to bed, so I'm pretty tired. We gave her a bath and all that good stuff. But here we go. Grab our octopus arms here, and I'm going to turn my soldering station on, which mine will only take about 20 seconds here to do. This is going to be my chroma line that's going to go on the other end of the video chip underneath the board of the Megadrive Genesis Model 1. I saved scrap wire, so this is all going to be perfectly fine. It's a strong connection. So anyways, got our soldering iron all hot. That's no trick photography. I only will zoom the videos, change the lightness. I don't change any of the clips. All my videos are uncut and unedited in the aspect of the duration or clips. Another thing I try to refrain from is that I see a lot of YouTubers use profanity in their videos. One, I find that kind of, you don't need to get the point. I do understand it is an adjective. I'm not going to call out certain YouTube people and handles for their you know, use of profanity or what such, but I don't know. I think you could use other words to get your point across, if you will. So here I am. I'm going to retin my iron here and make sure that I got a good flow. So there we go. It's starting to tin up there, as you can see here. So, and now I'm going to wipe it clean here on this on my soldering station. It has this little, it's almost like a chore boy or a little soldering pad. So that just cleaned my pad. So we'll get just a little bit of this retinned on here, get that flow going here. Alright, now here I'm going to touch my iron right here to my connection. I'm going to hold my iron there, and as that is there, as you can see, this is beautifully just tinning my connection. Just beautiful. Just slowly let the solder flow and let it do the work. The solder will kind of grab and paste your iron as you go. But too much heat, like I said, only use just amount heat to melt your solder. A lot of people will hold the heat way too damn long. So I strongly suggest not to do that. So where the heck did my electrical tape go? Where'd electrical tape? Mr. Electrical Tape. Where'd you go, Mr. Electrical Tape? I got a spare roll. I know where that is. Put my mic down. Alright. Back in the saddle at you again. Sorry about that, folks. Oh, it was right in front of my face. Look at me. Talking about too tired. Well, I'm going to button up my connection here, and this is going to be for the S-Video modification on the Megadrive Genesis Model 1. And I have my electrical scissors. Uh-oh. Down an alligator clip. Man down, man down. So, I'm going to cover this up here like so. And tomorrow morning, because it's kind of late and I don't feel like putting away a hot iron and stuff, I'm going to just kind of bunch these together and add some more hot glue so that it doesn't rip my leads. Most likely it will be fine, but I just do that, and it's very, very easy, and I don't know, it's just my style. You let me know what you think. Again, thanks for watching my video. Subscribe. We'll have some good mods coming up for you. We're going to have some other repairs other than this Genesis mod. And till next time, signing out.